Alright guys, so there's the date and time on the Garmin Furnace 620. We have to be in some parking garage here in Green Bay, Wisconsin. And it looks like we got an elevator here. This is a Schindler HT with Vandal-Resistant fixtures. So it's coming down. And it looks like it's here. Oh cool, it's a glass elevator. Which floor are you two going to?
Two. Four, please.
Four? Window. Oh, it's a 400 today. Oh, you want to go to 2?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. I must have canceled the call or something. I'm pretty sure I pressed 2. It's a nice view outside. There we go. Yeah, the controller must have glitched out for a sec.
That's alright.
Nice day on Green Bay. That's for sure. Alright, here we're down 2. Have a good day. Alright. So now we're going to go back down. Yeah, it's definitely a 408 because of the chime and its traction. So here we're down 1. Now we're right back up to 7. So we can watch the floor indicator and get a cat view. You actually see the floors going by in the reflection. Because apparently this is reflective stainless steel right here. Anyways, here we're back up to 7. Now we're going to right back down to 1 so we can get a cat view. So let's get our cat view now. And there's our good friend, Mr. Security. There's a sign. Oh look, there's 2 security cameras. There's also a sign that says all security record with video camera. So that's good to know. So anyways, yeah, this is a pretty basic elevator parking garage. Looks really nice though. Anyways, there's your indicator right there. It's going to be in car number 1, so it looks like there's more than one car in this garage. Anyways, here's your COP, and here's your phone. It's interesting how there's like a little plastic ring around it. So now we're going to send it up to 7 and watch it go up from outside. If we can catch it in time. Alright, here we go. I don't know if you can see it anymore from this point, but it's definitely going up now. And yeah, there it goes up to 7. Here's a little look at the pit here. It's definitely a traction elevator. You probably can't see much though because of the reflection, but you can see like the door operator and the clutch and the other shaft equipment. And probably can't really see the pit that much, but yeah, there's the shaft. So now we're gonna end the video. So that's gonna be it.